Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. A Sudoku with 2 stars. Yes, you can see it's a Sudoku with 2 stars in the newspaper of last Friday, April the 21st, 2021. Yes, actually, it's today Monday. But in the Monday, April the 26th, there is no additional. So I have decided to continue with the rest of the puzzles in the newspaper of last Friday. All right, 3 puzzles left. Sudoku with 2 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and a binary. Yes, and this one will be a number 2696. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. It's a kind of difficulty level, indication of the difficulty level. This one has 26 printed digits. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. 3, 4, 7. All right. Let me see. In this second column, we have 4 missing numbers. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this big square. So no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes in the second column. The 2 and a 7 in the second column goes in those 2 boxes in the second column. Yes, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1 and 5, I believe. Yes, 1 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. All right. Can we do this again? Let me see. No. Well, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in the first row. So no 1 and a 2 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and a 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. All right. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So on the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. All right. Then. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Let me scan. Well, 8 and a 9. Overlooked. We have an 8 there. So this cannot be an 8. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 9. All right. Overlooked. 8 8. So now we have 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 9 and 6, I believe. No, 6 we have. 9 and a 5. No, 9 and the 3. Yes, 9 and the 3 are left in the first column. 9 and the 3. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Oh, all right. 148. 148. Okay. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 999. 99. 999. Okay, I cannot continue with the 9. How about okay. 3. 4. Wait. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 4 and the 7. Alright. So we have a pair. 3 and a 9 in this row. 3 and a 9 in the row below. So the last row, the 3 and a 9, goes in those 2 boxes. Alright. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other pair in this last row should be the 1 and the 4. 1 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 6, 5, 2. Yes, 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. All right. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. Look, we have a 3 and a 4 here, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 8. Alright, so we have an 8 in this 3rd row, 8 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about 7. Alright. 5. Yes, Yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see there 5. No 5 here. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. All right, 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 6 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square here. We have 9 and a 3, but one of the missing number is a 6 in this big square. We see here 6, so no 6 there. There 6, no 6 here. The only place for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. All right, one number left in this big square for the number 4. All right. 1, 4, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. We see a 1 and a 4 in this row, so no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this big square for the number 8. Alright, so we have 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so no row between. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the number 7 and 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Oh, alright. One number left in this column for the number 4. Then 1, 3, 1, 3, 7. Okay. How about the number? Those two numbers in the first row, the 4 and the 3. 4 and the 3. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One number left in this big square for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 9. Alright, one number left in this column for the number 1. 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9 in this big square. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. How about those two boxes in this row? The 3 and the 6 are missing. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Then 4, 7. 7, 7. 4, 7, 1. And a 9. 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4, and look, we have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 1 number left in the middle column for the number 1, 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7, and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle a row for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. The last 2 numbers of this big square, the 9 and the 1 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright, 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku, and I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. 2 stars, definitely. If you like this, also thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. A binary one and a tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.